Hello everyone, and welcome to Everyday Idioms. In this series, we explore common English idioms to help you sound more natural. Today, we're looking at two fantastic idioms, piece of cake and break the ice. First up is piece of cake. If something is a piece of cake, it means it's very easy to do. For example, you might say, the first level of the game was a piece of cake. Let's see how Clara and Daniel use this idiom.
Hi, Daniel. You look worried. Is it about the history quiz tomorrow?
Yes, Clara. I'm not sure I can remember all these dates. It feels overwhelming.
Don't worry, Daniel. You've studied so much for it. I'm sure it will be a piece of cake for you.
You think so? Well, I hope you're right.
Next, we have break the ice. This idiom means to say or do something to make people who don't know each other feel more relaxed and comfortable, especially when people are meeting for the first time. For instance, he told a funny joke to break the ice at the start of the workshop. Let's see Clara and Daniel in a situation where they might need to break the ice.
It's a nice event, but everyone seems a bit quiet. No one is really talking to each other yet.
You're right. Maybe we should try to break the ice. I could ask that group over there where they moved from.
That's a great idea, Daniel. A simple question can often help break the ice.
So, there you have it. Piece of cake for something very easy, and break the ice for starting conversations in new social settings. Can you think of other examples for these idioms? Share your own sentences in the comments below. We'd love to read them. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to English Tidbits for more videos like these. See you in the next video.